Okay, welcome guys. So today I'm gonna teach you guys how I got the 10% code off for buying the GoPro 11. And here I'm gonna show you as well so you guys can do it too. No bullshit, okay? So here we go. Shop Hero 11. You're on the website, right? Shop Hero 11. And make sure you are on Microsoft Edge, okay? Make sure you're on that browser or else it won't work. It won't work. Okay. You're just buying the GoPro, just buying the GoPro. Okay. Add to cart, right? And view cart, view cart. I'm gonna show you how I got that. But remove coupon. Okay. Yep, make sure you're buying one. Make sure you're buying one. Okay, now you're here, right? So all you gotta do is click this, and Microsoft Edge is gonna find it for you for some reason. So, for example, yeah, you got this, you click it, apply, and boom. Yo, $50 cheaper. Let's go. So that is the guide. It worked. I tried it. So if you enjoyed this video and it helped you, please subscribe. Um, it's gonna help me a bunch. So please subscribe if this helped you, and have a nice day and enjoy your new GoPro 11. Peace out, Tyler A.